Now take out your amazing art book of standard 5. So today we will do the page number 16 and the page number 17. Okay, so here in the page number 16 is given tuning fox. You can see here is the fox and here is given shading. Okay, so observe the picture carefully and the light shade and the dark tones of pencil shading applied on the fox. You can see there is on a dark shade and somehow in a light shade. You can see that is shading applied on a fox, and try to set on the given outlines as so. Okay, so you have to try the setting of dark tones and the light tones, okay, with your pencils, with your dark pencil and with your light pencil. Okay, so here I am going to use the dark pencil and the light. Okay, so just observe the picture carefully. Okay, you can see here is the dark shading over the eyes and on a body. There is a dark shading and the tail also dark shading in a slanting line. Right. So we just do like this. We just dark shade like this. You can see, students. Okay, now you just look at here also in dark shading. We just do like this. Okay, all over the body of the fox. Okay, like this. First of all, make it very sharp. Okay, the pencil will be sharp, very sharp to do the setting. Okay, it will be easy to shade. Now we just set the grass like this. We just slipping out the pencil and just rub it like this and make a beautiful shading. Yes, very good. Like this you just set it. Yeah, in this way you just set your pencil and make your shading very beautifully. Yes, very good. Now you can see the grass, the bushes on the background, that is colored dark shade. Just do it the dark shade with your pencil like this. Yes, very good. And the stones also, like the dark shading, dark shadow shading. Yes, like this. Just do it all the stones here. So now the shading tuning box is completed.